Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Derek Afasi. I'm the owner of Afasi Financial Group and RetireSharp.com. And today's topic is going to be a little bit different than what I usually deal with regarding retirement planning. And it's a topic that I have been personally accustomed to throughout some of my family members regarding critical illness insurance and why I truly believe it is extremely, extremely important. Now, I have a little link that's right below this video, and it's cancerinsurance.com/broker/Afasi. Now, what happened was I actually teamed up with cancerinsurance.com to make sure that I could actually offer you guys the greatest critical illness plans with the top 10 carriers actually in your area. So if you just click on the little link below, and then I'll try to show you how to navigate through this, and you could essentially gain access to a policy, gain access to an instant quote. I mean, just with the click of your mouse, I mean, and you could have it within minutes. So as you go on the website, you see my face, you see all the information up there, and you could give us a call at any time. This is why I highly recommend that you actually go through this link, because you'll be dealing with myself and you'll be dealing with my company. Actually, regarding my company and these critical illness plans, I'm the only representative that is licensed to actually sell these. So you would actually, if you call this number, you'll be dealing with me directly, and I'll try to help you out any which way that I can. But this website is so turnkey that literally, I mean, you just type in your information, you answer a couple of questions, and there's no medical exams at all regarding these critical illness plans. Now, critical illness, just a generality of critical illness, it covers your major illnesses throughout your lifetime. So let me just start off with kind of get the quotes, and I'll show you how to essentially be able to capture a plan in just minutes, and then I'll be conceptualizing what exactly it covers. So you put in your area, you put in your zip code, and then you click on the, so let me go out, you click it, you put in your zip code over here, and then you click on either critical illness plans or cancer plans. Now, there are cancer plans associated as well, and I have a video out there, but for this conversation, I just kind of want to go over the critical illness and why I actually believe that is a lot better than a cancer plan if you could be potentially acceptable for this. Get quotes. So I just put in some random information on here. Are you a smoker? And these are the most important questions. Are you a smoker, non-smoker, male, female? Have you ever been diagnosed with the following conditions: heart attack, stroke, cancer, HIV? So because I have not, birth date is actually a little bit different, but I just kind of put in some random information. You click on get quotes, and that's it. I mean, you could have, with this is for a male age 43 years old, you could have one of these plans, $25,000 plan, for so inexpensive. It's ridiculous. And the policy highlights there's actually 15 major conditions covered. The major conditions why someone would purchase these are basically for cancer, stroke, and heart attack. Those are the major ones. But if you click over here, it breaks down a little synopsis on what are the major coverages regarding these plans: loss of speech, coronary bypass surgery, if you ever got into a coma, something like basically cancer, heart attack, stroke, paralysis. Now, these pay out every single time. What I mean by that is, okay, we know right here that you're covered for cancer, heart attack, and stroke, right? So you're paying your small premium dollars of, let's say, $41 with this particular plan. And let's say, in a couple of years, you're age 43. So let's say at age 50, you get a stroke. Bam, $25,000. That's a cash benefit will be paid to you. Cash benefit. You could utilize that money for, either travel expenses, additional medical costs, basically your loss of income for that time it takes you to recover. So it's such an important aspect. And then let's say after you get the stroke, you're still paying into this plan, the $41, and then 2 years later you get or a year later you get a heart attack. Bam, another $25,000 cash benefit will be paid to you. Then all of a sudden, 5 years after that, you get cancer. Bam, another $25,000. So you're paying the small cost, the small monthly cost, and you're receiving all of those 15 different types of benefits. That's pretty cool already. And they also give you some different highlights, like $50 for preventive care benefit. So it kind of they pay you for taking the proper steps to making sure you're taking the precautionary measures and you're getting your proper medical tests to prevent some of these these ailments. But on top of everything else, you're going to read this little thing right here that's going to say death benefit. Return of premiums less benefits paid. So let's say you're paying into this plan, and first off, I mean, the chance of one of these ailments to hit is the statistics are greatly proven. But let's say you're paying into this policy, and all of a sudden you're in your 90s, and you get hit with a heart attack or a stroke or cancer, because obviously your body is going to be much more frail and much more susceptible to these things. These benefits still pay out. But let's say that by the grace of God, you have never received a major ailment or any of these ailments. What exactly happens to the money that you placed into the policy? It's not like a homeowner's policy or an auto policy where it just goes out the window. That additional monies actually go to your beneficiaries. So it's a return of premium, a return of the premium less benefits paid. So obviously, if you had benefits paid and all that stuff, that doesn't constitute. But let's say if you never actually use this policy, your beneficiaries will receive that whenever you do pass away. They are absolutely incredible. These plans pay out. They're with A-rated carriers. This in particular is American General. So the longer you go with it, and depending upon what you want, you could switch instantly to a cancer-only policy. But seriously, these are no-brainer policies. There's no medical underwriting, and it gets paid to you. It gets paid out to you as cash. So you simply, let's say that you're kind of viewing this. You could view the product brochure and you say, yeah, you know what, this sounds pretty good. I could afford the 41.22 a month, and you just basically go continue. You put in some information over there, proceed to application, and you're doing everything all digitally. It is so powerful. I really wish that all financial products or all types of risk management based products were just like that. And once again, you could give us a call at any time. I'll walk you through the process. And something that I highly believe in. And it is seriously one of these no-brainer policies. I'm extremely excited about them. I'm extremely excited to be teamed up with cancerinsurance.com and have my own little subsidiary website from them. My clients have absolutely loved this, have loved these plans. And, if you're kind of in the market for it, it's worth it to at least check out the quotes, see exactly the instant quotes, and you kind of mix and match, what exactly you can afford. But I mean, the fact that if you ever actually come into that certain ailment, which the statistics greatly prove that a typical individual will come into contact with those ailments, it pays out. Now, if you never actually have to use it, it's not like you lose your money. Your money will go to your beneficiaries. I mean, it's a win-win across the board, and it's very inexpensive. Once again, my name is Derek Afasi. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Please be on the lookout for some of my other videos. Thank you.